conference on seminal topic, a topic of importance on use of technology in the judiciary, that is advancing rule of law through technology, challenges and opportunities. We are delighted to have among us for this inaugural session the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Director, National Judicial Academy, Honorable Chief Justices and Judges of the High Courts, and the distinguished members of the District Judiciary from the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, whose presence here reflects the shared and unwavering commitment towards strengthening of judicial landscape. And Patron-in-Chief of the Telangana State Judicial Academy to commence the inaugural session. Thank you, Milan. I deem it my privilege and honor to invite our distinguished dignitaries to kindly grace the dais as we commence the inaugural session. I now humbly invite Honorable Sri Justice Vikram Nath, Judge Supreme Court of India, to kindly grace the dais, and I request S. Govardhan Reddy, Registrar General, to escort His Lordship onto the dais. I request Honorable Srimati Justice N. Renuka Yara to kindly present a sapling to His Lordship. His Lordship is the first Chief Justice of a High Court in India to stream the court proceedings on YouTube channel. It is my honor to invite Honorable Sri Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Judge Supreme Court of India, to kindly grace the dais, and I request Sri Sura Srinivas Reddy, Registrar Administration, High Court for the State of Telangana, to escort His Lordship onto the dais. I request Honorable Sri Justice Nandikonda Narasimha Rao to kindly present a sapling to His Lordship. His Lordship was the Chief Justice of our High Court in 2021. Indeed, we are very much honored to have His Lordship today. Now I humbly request His Lordship to adorn the dais, and I request V. Ramesh, Registrar Management, to escort His Lordship onto the dais. I request His Lordship, being the Patron-in-Chief of Telangana State Judicial Academy, has always been a guide. Justice Aniruddha Bose, Director, National Judicial Academy, and former Judge, Supreme Court of India, to kindly grace the dais, and I request P. Sridhar Rao, Registrar Protocol, to escort His Lordship onto the dais. Rao, sir, to kindly present a sapling to His Lordship. His Lordship is known for judicial clarity and balanced constitutional reasoning. Telangana and President Telangana State Judicial Academy to kindly. Her Ladyship is widely appreciated for her contribution in the areas of civil, company, arbitration matters with specialization in corporate and intellectual property laws. Thank you very much. With the permission of the dignitaries on the dais, may I now request the dignitaries on and off the dais and all participating officers to rise for the national song, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Thank you very much, my lords. May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the ceremonial lamp to mark the inauguration of the conference. I now request all the participant officers and all the honorable judges to rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता मराठा गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
I now request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. The lighting of the lamp signifies the triumph of knowledge, wisdom, and symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and ignites the thought of enlightenment. It serves as a powerful reminder of the eternal nature of light, goodness, and its capacity to guide, purify, and alleviate the spirit. It signifies the belief that even in times of adversity or uncertainty, there is always a ray of hope to guide the path. Thank you very much, my lords. It is my privilege to invite Honorable Sri Justice Aniruddha Bose, Director, National Judicial Academy, to kindly deliver the introductory address.
Honorable Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India. I shall also address, though he is coming tomorrow, Honorable Justice J.K. Maheshwari, who will be taking 2 sessions tomorrow. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Judge of the Supreme Court of India. I take this opportunity to welcome you all and other dignitaries present on behalf of the High Court of Telangana and the State Judicial Academy to this historic city of Hyderabad. And I extend this welcome message also on behalf of the Chief Justice of Telangana, Justice Aparesh Singh. This is the 6th regional conference of the National Judicial Academy this year. And for the South Zone, this is the second one. You have seen the topics and we have discussed these subjects in course of all the past regional programs and many of them in the academy itself. Now, why these regional conferences? Well, this could be some kind of open introspection of what we have been doing within our campus at Bhopal. Secondly, these programs, the gap between we are having challenges from the technology, challenge of areas, challenge from rapidly evolution of various kinds of laws, particularly in the field of economy, gender, children, not necessarily in that order, and also media. So, in this atmosphere, we at the NGA feel a common platform for the judges is necessary, where we can discuss all these things. Because our, not mine anymore, but all of yours, job is a difficult job. Good thing we don't have a boss to tell us what to do in individual cases, but at the same time we don't have any structured system to discuss the outcome of a case or how a case should proceed. So NJA along with the state judicial academies, we are trying to provide this platform for that kind of discussion, and we are normally following the Chatham House principle that barring the inaugural session, the rest of the sessions are closed-door sessions so that we can be more open in them. I wish this program a grand success. A lot of hard work has been put in by the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court, Justice Shyam Koshi, Justice Bhattacharya, and all their colleagues. I won't take longer. This is supposed to be a short session. So thank you for coming here in this March morning. Thank you again.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for that insightful introductory address, which has set the tone for the deliberations ahead. Anna, kindly to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma Ji, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Sri Justice Anirudh Bose Ji, former Judge, Supreme Court of India and Director, National Judicial Academy. Honorable Justice P.V. Reddy, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. Sri Dheeraj Singh Thakur Ji, Chief Justice, Andhra Pradesh High Court. Sri Justice A. Mustaq Muhammad, Chief Justice, Sikkim High Court. My esteemed sister and brother judges of the High Court of Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Respected resource persons, Ms. Monidya Banerjee, Ms. Sikha Goel, learned judicial officers of the participating states, registrars and officers of the High Court for the state of Telangana, Director, Telangana Judicial Academy, Registrar, Admin, Faculty and Staff of National Judicial Academy, esteemed participants, print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests, resource persons and participants who have gathered here for the regional conference on advancing rule of law through technology, challenges and opportunities. This conference, jointly organized by the National Judicial Academy and the Telangana State Judicial Academy, provides an important platform for deliberation on the evolving relationship between technology and the justice delivery system. As technology increasingly shapes governance and everyday life, the justice delivery system must adapt to these changes while remaining firmly anchored in constitutional values. Technological innovation offers significant opportunities to enhance access to justice, improve efficiency in judicial processes, and strengthen transparency in court functioning. At the time, it also presents complex questions relating to digital privacy, cybercrime, electronic evidence, and the responsible use of emerging technologies. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of Honorable Mr. Justice Vikrant as the chief guest for this conference. His presence today greatly enriches our deliberations and serves as a source of inspiration for all of us gathered here. Justice Nath's initial work reflects a profound engagement with questions that lie at the heart of our constitutional structure. In presidential reference titled Governor and President, Asset, Withholding or Reservation of Bills, His Lordship contributed to clarifying the delicate constitutional balance governing the powers of the Governor and the President in the legislative process. By reaffirming both the autonomy of the constitutional authorities and the principle of constitutional accountability, the judgment reflects a thoughtful effort to preserve the institutional balance envisaged by our Constitution. We are also privileged to have with us Justice Satish Chandra Sharma ji, whose judicial work reflects a thoughtful engagement with the constitutional vision of equality and justice. In State of Punjab versus Davinder Singh, a significant constitution bench decision addressing the question of subclassification within scheduled caste, His Lordship emphasized that the pursuit of substantive equality required the state to recognize varying degrees of disadvantage within constitutionally recognized groups. The judgment reflects a constitutional commitment to ensure that the benefits of affirmative action reach those who remain the most disadvantaged. I also extend a warm welcome to Justice Anirudh Bose, former Judge, Supreme Court of India and Director of the National Judicial Academy, whose vision and leadership continue to strengthen judicial education and promote meaningful institutional dialogue.